$30 junkyard item. What's going on, everybody? I'm Cody. Welcome back. This is CM Traveling Cars. Today we're going to put this lovely strut bar on my 2006 box. I bought this at a junkyard 2 weeks ago, and it's kind of funny how it happened. We're walking through, I see some box, same color and everything, so you know what, maybe let me go check it out. So I went and scoped it out. I popped open the hood and I was like, wow. I saw this Hotchkiss tuning strut bar in there and I'm like, I need to take this. So it took a couple minutes to take it out. We did it the gangster way. I'm gonna do it the real way on here, so we have to take the cowl and all that stuff apart. Let's get to work. Alright, so in the Scion, there's 3 strut bolts. 1, 2, 3. Gotta take this piece out. The cowl's gotta come out. The wiper's gotta come out. One thing that sucks, we got these screw-in type retainers. They could be kind of annoying, but yeah, we'll get it. Alright, now that I got the cowl off and the wipers off, now I gotta take this piece off right here. Got a couple 10s. The wiper, should be able to stay. I might just need to disconnect this bolt right there, and I'm probably not going to take it out if I don't need to, because I got other stuff connected here. If I can just take it and just move it over here, loosen up those 2 bolts, loosen these bolts here, then I should be fine. Alright, so I had to take the wiper out because there was 1 bolt underneath the wiper motor. 2 bolts did break. This one down there and that one right there. It's funny, they're in the same spot. So now, since I got everything moved out, I have access to my 3 bolts here. And now it's the 12mm, and just take these plates out and pop the bar on. Now that they got the bar in, now it's time to put everything together. One little minor snag is my horn is hitting this, which is making it uneven here. That means if I push it there, there's a little bit of tension on there, and I'm not liking that, so I'm just gonna move that down a little bit. Alright, I just moved it down a little bit. I just popped these 2 screws in the old holes and painted them, well, I didn't paint them, painted them with a magic marker black so they're not as noticeable, so I don't like it too hack, so if I fill the holes in, I'm happy. So yeah, I just moved that down. We should be good now, so let's put this piece on. A little close to the amp fuse there, but she is missing. We are good there. Can barely tell those bolts are down there that I put in there, so you're not gonna see no holes in there. Looking somewhat good. Pop this guy on there. Now for the cowl and the wipers. Looking good. Love it. Alright, that wraps up today's video. Thank you so much for watching me put this freaking junkyard junk on my box. Please like, comment, subscribe. There will be more of these kind of videos in the future. So until then, I will see you later.